Hi and welcome. I decided to make this video to give you the flavor of what it's like to do the easy bicycling that's available in my neighborhood of Chiang Mai. The biking is really easy and very pleasurable. There's no hills. I think the total ascent on this trip was 100 feet, which is definitely my style. Everybody you meet is typically very friendly. They'll say hello, good morning, whatever. It's just a super nice place to ride. This is a really short ride. Usually ride about maybe 20-30 miles, but this one much shorter. I enjoy riding on the gravel roads. These roads line almost every canal. There's lots of canals in Thailand. This road, I guess really it's a track, is the northern approach to my favorite place I call the Chamcha rest area. It was heavily flooded just a month or so ago, and it was impassable, totally impassable. The spot we're coming to just a couple of weeks ago was so muddy I would have walked my bike through it. Here we're on sort of the final approach to my big Chamcha Tree. It's shady and just a lovely place to rest. The Chamcha is a common tree in Thailand, sometimes called the rain tree. I love them. They're very shady and beautiful. This one's a little bit ragged looking because it is definitely fall and the leaves are a bit sparse this time of the year. So here I am at literally my favorite spot in this whole Saraphi area. The area has been stripped clean by the flooding here a month or so ago. It's ripped out all the beautiful underbrush that was lining these little ponds. Took away my stool, my bench over here, I believe. There's a friendly guy the farmer who runs the banana grove over there, who stops by and we chat in it's a tough way to go because I don't speak Thai, he speaks very little English, almost none. But one of my favorite spots. And today is a cool day, very, 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 very pleasant for riding. I got a good night's sleep, so I'm feeling pretty fresh. Not sure where I'm going to go after this. I might do a big mango smoothie over at Cherokee Garden, which is not too far away from here, a few miles. Or I might head on back towards the car and stop off at the Bella Goose for one of their famous breakfasts. Don't know yet. But in the meantime, I'll have a little bit of water. Salute from Thailand. Yep. As always, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. See you next time.